morning, Engineer 1. This is answer of homework page number 60. This page number 61. Today we are going to learn lesson 101. Read the clock. Firstly, I want to start from the first question. Subtract, it means I will make what? I will make minus. Here I will write unit tens. 8 minus 4 equal what? I'll close my hand and count after 4 up to 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. 5 minus 3 equal what? Excellent, equal 2. If you don't know, close your hand and count after 3 up to 5. My result 24. The next 32 minus 20. Here I will write units tens. I must start from the units or ones. 2 minus 0 equal 2. Here units tens. I will write 2 in units or ones place. And now 3 minus 2 equal 1. My result 12. Here what? Read the clock. Look here, Junior 1. This is what? This the clock. And here what you see? I see a numbers from 1 up to what? Up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Up to what? Up to 12. And I see what? I see two hands. One of them long and what? Another short. If the long hand pointed to 12, I called what? Like this, yeah, Junior 1. The long hand pointed to 12, and the short hand pointed to what? Pointed to 1. The short hand for minutes, but the long hand the short hand for hours, and the long hand for minutes. Again, the short hand for hours and the long hand for minutes. When the shortest long pointed to 1 and the longest hand pointed to 12, this is called what, Junior 1? It's 1 o'clock. 1 what? 1 o'clock. But now the long hand pointed to 12 and the short hand pointed to 2. So it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 what? 2 o'clock. Now, can you tell me what's the time now? Now what? The short hand pointed to 5 and the long hand pointed to 12. It's mean what? It's 5 o'clock. It's a 5 what? 5 o'clock. Now it's 8. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Now it's 10 o'clock. And now it's what? It's 12 o'clock. Look here, Junior 1. This is what? The short hand pointed to 1. So it's what? It's 1 o'clock. And now I want to write what? In digital, this is called colon. Okay? And what? This for hours. And here, minutes. Okay? So here I will put what? 2, 0. I will write 1 in hours and what in minutes? 2, 0. Here, it's what? It's 2 o'clock. Excellent. It's 2 o'clock. Now here, how many hours? 2. Excellent. I will write 2 and in minutes I will put 2, 0 because it's what? It's 2 o'clock. Here The long hand pointed to 12 and the short hand pointed to 3. It's what? It's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. And here I will write 3 and I put what? 2, 0. Here it's 5 o'clock. Excellent. It's 5 o'clock. And here I will write what? I will write 5 and I'll put what? 2, 0. It's what? It's 4 o'clock. Excellent. It's 4 o'clock. Here I will write 4 and here I put 2, 0. It's 4 o'clock. 4 hours and how many minutes? 0 minutes. It's what? It's 6 o'clock. Excellent. It's 6 o'clock. Here I will write 6. Excellent. And here put 2, 0. The next page, bit number 63. Here it's what? Excellent. 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Here I will write 7 and here I put 2, 0. Here it's what? It's 8 o'clock. Excellent. It's 8 o'clock. Here we'll write 8 and here 2, 0 in minutes. Here it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Here I will write 9 and here I put 2, 0. Here it's 10 o'clock. Here I will write 10 and here I put 2, 0. It's what? It's 11 o'clock. Excellent, Junior 1. It's 11 o'clock. Here I will write 11 and here I put what? 2, 0. Here, this is what your Junior 1, like this. Like this, Junior 1. The long hand and the short hand point to 12. It's meaning it's 12 o'clock. Here I will write what? It's 12 o'clock. Here I will write 12 and here I will put 2, 0. And here I will write it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. Read the clock. And the next page, what? Homework. Page number 64, homework.